Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about the Iubmb classification of enzymes, which is nothing but International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. So first of all, you should know the basic things, that there are 6 classes and you need to know this mnemonic. Plus, there is one more class that has been recently added. So let's talk about the first one, which is oxidoreductase. Okay, first we'll just enlist all of them. Then second is T, so we have transferase. Then we have third L, which is lyase. Then we have fourth, which is isomerase. Sorry, forgot the H, right? So H is hydrolase. Then L is lyase. Then 5, then 6, and then the last one, which is minutes. So OTHLI isomerase, then L ligase, and 7 is translocase. Okay, now let's just go through them one by one. So oxidoreductase, the main function of oxidoreductase is to transfer H plus addition of CO2. Transferase is transfer of groups other than hydrogen. Then hydrolase is addition of water, cleaves the bond through addition of water. Lyase cleaves the bond without addition of water. Isomerase is intermolecular transfer. Ligase is the ATP dependent condensation of two molecules. Okay, now let's just understand the examples. Like, you need to know the examples. You'll be asked mostly examples only. Okay, so I'll just use a color which is like very bright and you can see it through. So yeah, apply. So oxidoreductase. So in this you have to remember the mnemonic as COPD. Now COPD is catalase, oxidase, peroxidase, and dehydrogenase. Any enzyme which has all these is oxidoreductase class. Then we have transferase. Now transferase, most common example that I know, that you know, is kinase. Then we have transaminase. All most of them will have trans in front, so you will be able to like make out, so like transmethylase and so on. Okay, now hydrolase. Hydrolase, this is important, you should know, like lipase, esterase, arginase, most of the digestive enzymes. Okay, so most of the, again this is, I don't know why the colors are not that bright in this. So all digestive, okay, we can use yellow enzymes, are transferases. All right, so just give me a second. More yellow. Now lyase. Now in lyase and ligase, you need to know one specific thing. In lyase you have synthase. Okay, here you have synthase, and in ligase you have synthetase. Okay, this is something which often confuses us. So the other examples are aldolase, fumarase, okay, so on. Yeah, isomerase, you know that it is for like the one involved in glycolysis, phosphohexose, isomerase, mutase, and so on. Ligases, we have CPS, now in glutamine synthetase, right? Then we have acetyl CoA carboxylase, right? So this is the thing about it. Plus we can just quickly talk about all the coenzymes. Like usually they ask this question also, so we can be thorough with that too in this video itself. So let's just go through the coenzymes. So coenzymes, Now coenzymes में you need to know certain examples, like for kinase what is the coenzyme, for dehydrogenase, for pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, or you can talk about branched chain amino acid dehydrogenase complex, then trans ketolase का coenzyme, then transaminase and carboxylase. Okay, let's just enlist them. So kinase, we all like know it's just so in kinase we have ATP, GTP. Dehydrogenase we have NAD plus or FAD. Now this is important PDH. So we have B1, B2, then we have the lipoic acid, then we have CoA, right? And here you can write FAD, NAD plus and TPP. Then this is same for this. Trans ketolase is thiamine, pyrophosphate, which is TPP. Transaminase is PLP, B6, okay. And carboxylase is biotin, so B7, right? So this is about enzyme classification, and if you found this video helpful, do give it a like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.